Hi guys, Striker here. I saw that someone really wanted that tutorial and that's why this video exists, so here we go. I will use my Tapel Plesaurus drawing for this one, but remember it has noise effects, so it might look a bit different with your drawing. The two brushes you'll see here are my recommendations for Procreate and Eevee to do this effect. First step is of course creating new layer and clipping it to your colors layer. Then you fill it with any desaturated color, so if you put it on saturated from blend mode, it'll look a bit grayish. Choose any opacity you want, but keeping it more than 30 would be the best option since the effect must be visible. Then draw a circle on a new layer with extra saturated color and also put it on saturation. Next, you must copy the layer, alpha lock it, and change color to a lighter one. This time you'll need screen blend mode. After that you group them and you can play with opacity of these two and basically just move them and you're done. Well, that's all. Bye guys.
Live, laugh, love, recapture.